What's your good name?
Karthik, sir.
Your age?
32.
From which place you are?
Bangalore.
What you are doing?
Working
Working in
in private office.
private office.
Yes, sir.
You are engineer or doctor?
Engineer.
Okay. Tell me about your experience on multiple issues. Now almost it has wiped out in 3 months. What are all the issues you had?
Actually, when I came here, I have the pancreatitis issue and it's a diabetes also. So,
What was the HbA1c at that time when you came over here?
10.
10.
Now it is 6.90.
Wonderful. So what was the health issues that time before taking the
So,
treatment?
taking pancreatitis issue and I'll stool it will become. And then HbA1c is there, then thyroid issue is there. One more thing, the cholesterol also, BP also is there. Now it is BP is reduced and then cholesterol also reduced and the HbA1c also reduced. So when I taking the treatment 10.90 something here, but after 3 months here it is 6.90. Now this month. Then pancreatitis is also stomach pain is gone.
On
Yeah.
stomach pain, since how many years it was there?
4 years.
4 years.
Yes.
What doctors used to tell?
They said that this is lifetime treatment. There is you have the life thread also, so you need to take care of the every month treatment in lifelong. But now I came here, the research said only 2-3 months it will be go. But it's the treatment.
Anyway, today is at 12:24. So it's a beautiful this thing.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So now you tell me, how do you feel after taking this miracle drinks Neo Ayurveda treatment?
Even my life.
From the bottom of the heart, you tell.
Even I'm thinking my life will be safe.
Excellent. Beautiful. Thanks, Appa. Thank you very much. Thank you.